Hey y'all, it's Christy. I ended up ordering this rolling clothes rack. Yay! I did it. I would say it's pretty easy. The only thing I would do different, instead of using this, and I'll put on the screen which size this is, I would get a real wrench. Okay, I love this one. This I got at a thrift store in Brunswick, Georgia. We were staying on Jekyll Island, and I was like, that is so cute. Now, I'm not modest usually, but I am for some reason in the girl area. And I don't know if it's because, you know, now that I'm older, I kind of feel like a double snuffleupagus, like they just kind of dangle, you know, do their own thing. So, but I feel like when you go on vacation, you kind of can have a vacation persona, if that makes sense, where you can get away with some stuff that you might not normally do at home. This is one of the ones I got yesterday at Ross near me, and I just think it's so flippin' cute. Now, would I wear it in my hometown? Possibly if I was going someplace during the day, early, you know, not in the evening kind of thing. I think it's adorable. I think it's just the cutest little thing. Now, I could wear it like that. I don't like that. I think this looks cuter. And I think they call this is it the Milkmaid look, this? I really like that neckline. I don't wear jewelry, like, ever. So this is what it would look like. What do you think? I think it's cute. Now, I've kept on that shapewear, which I probably would do anyway, just so that if I'm out and, again, bending over or whatever, if anybody saw anything, they would see that shapewear. And I'd rather them see that than my underwear. So this is it. Look at this one. It's so cute. I mean, I just flipping love it. I feel like I just want to like do twirls like I'm 3 or like I'm 5 like Flora does. I just think it's so cute, and it's that Milkmaid design again. I just feel very feminine in it. It looks so pretty. I just feel really, really pretty in it. Okay, these are pants, and they have, well, it's a romper. It's pants romper, and it has pockets. They're nice and deep. Anyway, I thought this was so cute. I first found it at one store. It was in Olive. I'll show you here. What I didn't like about it is that it showed my apron outline. And this one, of course it's there, but because it's black, you don't see it as much. And I thought about wearing this on the plane and then just having a little cardigan to go over it in case I get cold. But I'm so hot-natured, I don't think that'd be a problem. But then I thought going to the bathroom, pulling it down, I can't wear it on the plane. But I thought this would be so cute either during the day or in the evening, just, you know, for going out to dinner look. I think this is really, it's not cotton. I would say it's like a rayon, but it's really nice. I really like it. So this is a must. This one's going. Oh my gosh. This one I flippin' love. These flowers are embroidered. They're so pretty. I just love it. And it's that Milkmaid design again. It's just so pretty. And I can wear this, you know, during the day or at night, but I probably wear it at night when we go out to dinner and things like that. But it's just so pretty. I'll show you a close-up of the embroidery. It's so nice. So this one's a definite yes. Okay, I flippin' love this dress. This one lays really well, and it has pockets. Who's the genius that put pockets in dresses? I love it. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. I love it. And the fact that I'm a big girl, but I can get away with wearing it, bonus. I just love this one. So this one is definitely a keeper. Definitely going. Okay, this is what I'm gonna wear on the plane. Now, what I really want is a chambray shirt like Nancy Travis wore on 3 Men and a Little Lady. Do you remember that outfit? It was so cute, and I'm telling you, everybody and their sister and their mother and their aunt and their grandmother and their niece and their cousin, everybody was wearing this outfit. So My dad has one. I'm going to try it with it and see if I like it. And if I do, I will put that over this one just so that I can take it on or off on the plane. I'm very hot-natured, but in case I need it. But otherwise, I'm wearing this and this cardigan with it. So now this is the outfit. I love this little outfit. This is the outfit that I'm going to pack in my carry-on in case I lost, you know, my luggage got lost. I'd at least have one non-pant outfit that I can wear. Okay, this is a bathing suit. I wouldn't wear it as a bathing suit because I prefer a bathing suit that's like the dress. What I was thinking though, because the material is similar, these I got for $9 at Shein. They're actually shorts, but it looks like a skirt. Is I was thinking of wearing this like in the evening out as, you know, my outfit. But does it look like, oh, she's wearing a bathing suit and her bottoms? I mean, and a skirt, you know, or shorts or whatever. The material's similar. I can't decide. So I think I'm going to bring it anyway, because I could definitely wear it during the day as one. Oh, she's got her bathing suit on. She just put some shorts on. What do you think? Would you wear this to dinner as your outfit? This is my bathing suit, and I like it that it's a skirt. I'm thinking about actually sewing it together until about right here. That way it'd come, you know, just to my cleavage area. I did that to my last bathing suit when it got kind of stretched out. So this is the one I'm taking. These are my pajamas. I have family all over the world, and Emma gave me this when we were leaving the last night, and they're so cute. It's Vegemite and a little long-haired dachshund. Isn't it cute? Anyway, I thought these would be perfect. And they also have pockets. You can never go wrong with pockets. Thanks, Emma. So let's go over them. Cover up. Definite. What I'm wearing, definite. This one, definite. Yeah. This one, maybe. If you see it while in the next video, then yes. Otherwise, I don't know. Might not have made the cut. Yes. And yes. And yes. And yes. And yes. Same. I don't know. It may or may not make the cut. Okay, and the only thing I have left to do is actually pack it and put it in my car. And then there I go. Anyway, it was so lovely catching up with you guys, and thank you so much for packing with me. And if you liked a particular outfit, I'll have them named, and you can just go and say, I like this one, I didn't like that one for whatever reason, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, it was so lovely seeing you guys. And if you'd like and subscribe, that would be great. But if not, no worries. I wish you the best in life. Take care.